Okay, here's the blizzard of 2018. Okay, this is Jacob gonna sled down this hill. Whoa, Chloe! Monkey! Oh, oh! That was pretty good, dude. Okay, Jacob, now your turn. Oh, good shot. Do we have an extra sled for Samuel? Looks like he's just tumbling.
Kill me now, Lord. Kill me now.
You want a sled, Samuel?
Nah, I got my own.
He has one.
Here
Here.
we go! Apparently Charge!
Whoa!
Bye, guys. Hi, hi. Ah, Lord, kill me now. Lord, kill me now. Lord. Kill me now.
Huh.
God.
Whoa. Oh boy.
All right, I texted her.
You texted her the number?
Whoa. I'm worried because some of these branches are hanging over the driveway all the way.
Maybe we should take the Land Rover and move it over a little bit
So it doesn't.
so it doesn't get hit. Park it over there. What do you think?
Somewhere it's so smelly.
I would park
I can
it
barely
right
see
up
out of that.
Park it by the house.
right by the.
What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, what do you think?
That might be good. Because we just need a big space so Frank can get by.
Oh man.
I mean, if we put it up here, he's not gonna plow anywhere around there.
Yeah.
You're a nice little kitty. Take that.
Oh Lord.